everybody, and welcome to the channel. Happy Friday. It is finally Friday. It feels like it's been a long week. I am on my way home. I just left Lowe's and I wanted to come and talk to you guys briefly before I make the next video and show you all what I've gotten into. But as I was at work today, I was thinking about the garden, the setup, what's next, what do I need to do. And I told you all in a previous video, a couple of previous videos, that I need to work on my drip irrigation. I have yet to do that. And so because of that, this weekend is the weekend I really need to get it done, because July is next week and it is like 98 million degrees here. Watering by hand once a day just is not cutting it. Y'all, it's not cutting it. And so because I've got to change out a couple of emitters, which I think is the problem, because I've unearthed all the line, all the distribution tubing that I need to, and I've only found one area that I need to replace three of the lines. So that should not be stopping the entire thing in the back from malfunctioning. Y'all have to excuse me. So I'm going to change out a couple of emitters and see if that's the problem. But while I do that, I was thinking I probably am going to move my green stalks. Y'all, it's so hot. There's a man selling water at the corner. Y'all know it's hot when there's a man selling water. I'm telling y'all, it is 98 million degrees out here. My goodness. So because I'm going to be looking at my irrigation, trying to get it all to work, because it's not all malfunctioning, only some of it is, some containers. I'm going to move my green stalks, had to think about that for a second, and hook them up on the irrigation. I bought about a year ago the kit to hook them up on the irrigation, and it has taken me a year to actually decide to do that. So I'm gonna do that. So I am on my way to the house. I'm gonna sit down for a little bit. Like I said, I just left Lowe's and it's hot. I'm tired. I probably should eat some dinner before I go out in the garden. So we'll see how much I get accomplished today, because I do have 2 tasks I'd like to get done, and then I'll take you all in the garden with me. So until then, stay tuned for the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick chat, a car chronicles, kind of, sort of. So until the next video, it will be in the garden. I'll see you later. Bye for now.